In a world where technology is everywhere, yet true understanding lies in the shadows, one creator dared to ask, what if technology could be mastered by everyone? What if the secrets hidden inside our devices could change the way we live, work, and experience the world? For years, these features stayed buried, unknown, unseen.
Until now. A new guide has emerged.
To reveal the tricks, the hacks, the tools that transform everyday users into digital heroes. This is not just another tech channel. It's a journey into the heart of the digital universe.
Mahin Digital Hub, where technology becomes legend.
Subscribe and begin your story.